Isang palakpak sa mga Filipino community dito sa Macau Mag-ingay. Let me hear from our contingents. May we have from the Diputantes de Macau, the Orient Tribe, and Tops. Asan ang Tops? Ayun, kung sino daw ang pinakamaingay may dagdag points. Pwede bang sabay-sabay lahat ng Pilipino dito mag-ingay? There you have it. Excited na sila, Ma'am Grace.
Yes, absolutely. Kaya lang, excited din ako, pero
Let's just wait for our judges. And we would like also to thank yung mga volunteers natin, Miss Grace, no? We have Nariag, our marshal, and also the Macau Makiling International Eagles Club. Mabuhay ang Agila!
Adjust kayo konti man para maano. Adjust konti. Oh, dyan lang. Adjust kayo konti man. Adjust.
Neil, what are you doing? You should be there. Hi, Conan director, I know. You were kicked out. No, you are the director. Galing.
Miss Grace, may nakikita din ako dito non-contingent pero they are
Yes.
participating for this year's Inulog in Macau. We have the Team 90s. Ayan, we have the Star Pinoy. Star Pinoy is from Hong Kong, tama po ba? Ayun, all the way
Thank
from
you.
Hong Kong. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We welcome you.
Then we have
Carmel Choir.
the Mount Carmel Choir.
Yay!
Ayun, maraming salamat po.
Star Pinoy Hong Kong. Tabingi kayo. Tabingi. Yes. Yan. Star Pinoy!
One more call to the missing judges. So are you here? Father, where are you? Miss Precious.
Sana yung beshi kong Precious na yan, ba't wala pa siya?
And Attorney Joao Encarnação, are you
Nakatalipod
here?
kayo.
In the Sintra Square.
Kaya ano nyo? Yung nasali ka dyan. Oh, 1, 2, 3. One more. Okay. Asan yung yung photographer mo? Nag-iikot. Ito pa kasama si Luna. Ayan.
Okay, one more time. We have
pasali ng
here
isa.
our contestant. May we have from Debutante, the Orient Tribe, and also Tots. We have the contingent, the Team
Kahit
90,
nakakarawan.
Mount Carmel Choir, and the Star Pinoy all the way from Hong Kong. We are waiting for our judges and later
No,
on
dito kayo nakaharap eh. Layo. 1, 2, 3, smile. Smile, smile. Smile, 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 smile. Dami kong gaya. Smile kahit mainit. Smile. Okay. This is match 3. Bakit? May ano to eh. Dalawa naman ang aking dala. Sorry po.
Okay, we have our parade will start at 3 p.m. exactly 3 p.m. So we have still around 15 minutes before we start.
Oh, okay. Smile. Smile. Smile, smile. Hi, sa vlog. Hello, Hong Kong vlog. Hello, hi. Hi. Hello, nakatalikod. Smile. Smile. Hi. Smile. Smile. Habang hindi pa na ano, smile mga beautiful kung gusto nyong tumngiti. Ayan, ngiti-ngiti lang po. Smile. Smile.
Okay. Okay, just to let everyone know, and those who don't know, we have 3 contingents here who will have a competition today to celebrate the Sinulog Festival, which is a festival dedicated to the Santo Niño. The first part is they are going to march out, and then they will have a showdown at what the Filipinos like to call the payong, the white canopy that is over there in the Namuan area. And then they will make their way back here to the square, where they will have the highlight of today's event, the actual competitions here at the square.
Mount Carmel Choir.
Announcing the presence of Attorney Joao Encarnação.
Hindi pa naman nagsisimula.
Once again, calling Miss Precious Capuyan and Father Bacalso. Would you be at the square already?
Na mga bulaklak.
Thank you, Attorney Joao Encarnação.
Mainit pa. Smile. 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 Oh, smile kayo dyan. Sayang yung mga beauty nyo. Smile. 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 Smile na kayo. Smile. My beautiful. Smile. Smile. Smile sa manainitan ng araw. Wala na, hindi makita. Smile. Natakpan. Smile. Dito. Oh, smile yung mga may... Smile, oh. Uy, ang ganda na ano yun. May panakip, pa. May panakip. Smile, smile, smile.
Miss Precious
Smile, smile.
Capuyan, are you already here at the square? If you are, please come up on stage.
Smile. 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 Nagsisimula. Smile. 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 Mga nakatago. Ayan. Hello. Smile. Mga nakatago. Oh. Nakatago sa init. Ayun ang araw. Hello, choir. Smile. Smile, choir. Smile. Last year, nandito rin ako. Naka-smile kayo. Smile. Hello, mga choir. Kailangan din natin yan.
The Sinulog Festival is a well-known
Ito mga
event here in
team
Macau.
natin. Hello.
As you can see,
Ang Star
ang
Pinoy.
mga futbolista, pinukunan kayo ng picture. That's good po, because that's very good PR.
Star Pinoy. Pwede naman picture sa akin. Nakano ba yan? Ha? Ang liit eh. Ang init. Kaso hindi ko makita. Maano yung araw.
Hindi, mamaya. Hindi, din ako
Talagay mo
na
na
sa
sa
bag.
bag. Oo. Pag nagsayaw ka na. Oo.
Viva! Viva! Viva
Yan, puti.
Okay, painit na ng painit ang ating competition for now. Before we start the parade,
Wala pang
for a few moments,
Okay lang, video naman siya.
mag-ready na po tayo. The contingents have their own number na, so yan po yung pagkakasunod-sunod natin.
Okay, in the meantime,
Ang init pa
can we
naman.
request the photographers, those
Princess, be careful.
Backrest.
Opo, opo. Ay, sorry.
Nasa loob pala tayo.
Okay, nasa labas.
Okay.
This year's parade will be led by the reason of this event, the Santo Niño, followed by the drummers and the contingent.